Ready? Start. If the respondent is not in position to clear the entire outstanding installments, the receiver shall give him another opportunity to pay the outstanding installments within 30 days of taking over the possession of the vehicle, and in case the respondent makes the payment of the installment within the said period, the receiver shall release the vehicle to the respondent subject to an undertaking as aforementioned. If the respondent does not make the payment of the outstanding amount to the petitioner within 60 days, the receiver, with the prior permission of the arbitrator, would be authorized to sell the subject vehicle in a public auction with a prior notice to be sent by speed post register AD of the date of auction to the respondent at the addresses mentioned in the loan agreement or the address from where the vehicle is taken into possession, so that the respondent may also be able to participate in the auction to enable the applicant to fetch maximum amount from the sale of the vehicle. The receiver shall carry out the video recording of the auction proceedings and shall submit the same before the arbitrator along with his final report. The petitioner shall refer the dispute to arbitration in the terms of loan agreement if not already referred for appointment of an arbitrator within 4 weeks from today, and inform the court in writing about the same on the next day. With the aforesaid direction, instant petition stands disposed of accordingly. A copy of this order be served upon the respondents through speed post and courier within 7 days of the passing of this order and the receipt.